Have you ever stood in a meadow at twilight, watching tiny lights blink on and off like fallen stars? Those aren't fairies or magic sparks, they're fireflies, and each one is on a fantastic journey. But what exactly are these glowing creatures, and where are they going? Let's dive into the secret world of the brave little fireflies. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, aren't flies or bugs at all. They're actually beetles. There are over 2,000 species of fireflies around the world, each with its own unique story. Their most famous feature, that magical glow, is created through a chemical reaction inside their bodies called bioluminescence. It's one of nature's most efficient light sources, producing almost no heat. A firefly's light isn't just for show. It's a language, a complex code of flashes used to talk to each other. The journey of a firefly begins long before it takes flight. It starts as a tiny egg, laid in damp soil or among rotting leaves. From this egg hatches a larva, and guess what? It glows too. These larvae, sometimes called glowworms, are voracious little predators. They spend up to 2 years crawling through the undergrowth, hunting snails, slugs, and worms. This larval stage is the longest and arguably most important part of their life. They are the cleanup crew of the forest floor, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. After this long period of growing and hunting, the larva undergoes a magical transformation. It builds a protective chamber and enters the pupa stage inside. An incredible change occurs. The crawling hunter develops wings, antennae, and the sophisticated light-producing organs it will use as an adult. This metamorphosis is one of nature's true miracles, turning a ground dweller into a creature of the summer sky. Finally, the moment arrives. The adult firefly emerges, ready for the final and most dazzling chapter of its life. But this chapter is surprisingly short, lasting only a few weeks. And for these few weeks they have one primary mission: to find a mate and continue the cycle of life. This is where their fantastic journey truly takes flight. As dusk settles, the night air becomes a grand ballroom. The males take to the air, flying in specific patterns and flashing their lights. Each species has its own unique signal: a series of blinks, a long slow glow, or a quick J-shaped swoop of light. Down below, hidden in the grass and leaves, the females are watching. They are the discerning audience. When a female spots a flash pattern from a male of her own species that she finds appealing, she responds with her own specific flash. It's a beautiful, silent conversation happening all around us. The male sees her response and flies closer. They exchange a few more flashes, a sort of courtship dance, confirming they are the right match. This light show is crucial for ensuring the survival of their species. But the night is full of challenges. This journey is not without its perils. Predators like spiders, frogs, and birds are always on the lookout for a glowing snack. Some fireflies have even evolved a clever defense. Their bodies contain chemicals that make them taste bad, a warning that their light often signals. There is also a deceptive hunter in their midst, a femme fatale, firefly of the Photorus genus. These clever females can mimic the flash patterns of other species. They lure in hopeful males, not for mating but for a meal. It's a dramatic twist in the Firefly saga, a reminder that nature is both beautiful and brutal. Sadly, the greatest challenge facing fireflies today comes from us. Light pollution from our cities and homes can drown out their delicate signals, making it impossible for them to find each other. It's like trying to have a whispered conversation at a loud rock concert. Habitat loss. As we develop fields and forests, and the use of pesticides also take a heavy toll on their populations. The magical light shows that have graced our summer nights for centuries are beginning to fade. But this isn't a story that has to end in darkness. There is hope for our brave fireflies, and we can all be a part of their journey. We can help by simply turning off unnecessary outdoor lights at night, especially during the summer months. We can let parts of our yards grow a little wild, creating the damp, leafy habitats that firefly larvae need to thrive. Avoiding the use of broad-spectrum pesticides in our gardens can protect not just fireflies, but a whole host of beneficial insects. By taking these small steps, we can help ensure that future generations can also witness the wonder of a field full of blinking, dancing lights. The journey of a firefly is a tale of transformation, communication, and survival. From a humble glowing larva to a dazzling aerial artist, every stage of its life is a marvel. They are more than just pretty lights. They are vital members of our ecosystem and a symbol of the magic that exists in the natural world. So the next time you see a firefly, take a moment to appreciate its incredible journey. You're not just watching a bug, you're witnessing a brave little beetle on a quest to light up the darkness. Find a connection, and pass on the gift of light to the next generation. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of fireflies. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of the natural world, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep looking for the magic in the world around you.